is that, or like I had something in mind that I needed to do that I didn't do, and I think it had something to do with Foxy. How do I move Foxy? At all. Foxy's L. Okay, so do this, do that, Foxy. So we get Foxy out and away. This is literally just Foxy. Okay. Oh, hi. Okay. This works. What is the current status if I have the doors closed? Go here. Foxy on we go. And Foxy is there. Okay, cool. This was kind of weird on the other side. You know what? Actually, I don't care. 7 AM, perfect. Do this, we have this, we can't. Oh, we need to. Okay, cool. And I set this to false. Right there. Should work. You know what? Should work, should work. If it doesn't work, screw everything. 3, bum, up, doesn't work. I will set the regular monitor to false as well. I think that's... Oh, the other one is the force. Okay, got it. So we have this. Also, we want Foxy to drain power. So basically we do this. We have the usage. Oh no, we don't have the usage. We have the power. We set every time Foxy bangs door. Where is it? Left or is true? Set power. Oh no, subtract from power. We need a random between 1 and 2%. Seems kind of fair. So we have a max of 10 plus 10 is 20, or a 0 plus 10 is 10. I could also use the random in range, but you know, didn't do. So yeah, close the door, have Foxy. Actually have the monitor closed. Advance Foxy to here. Where is he exactly? 2. And bomb, we should see power drain. Power drained just fine. Incredible. Actually, I will have him drain between 1.5 and 2.5%. Cool. So I will change everything back to it. Our duration is 70. 70. If this. Then we'll set the thing. If scene variable nighttime is 6, so if it's 6 AM, then actually go to a new scene that we have to set up now. We create a new scene and we will call it 6 AM. And coloring it black. There we go. Creating a new text object that's called AM. I will do it in the original FNAF 1 style, so just create one, get it there, and have the 5 and the 6 move up, and that'll be a number. So we have this, we have object variables, we have the value, I don't know, set it to number. I don't know why I'm setting it to a number, but here I go. We have 5. We have the number 5 here. I will set it to a number so I can see the dimensions of it. It's actually 8 AM around here. This is 2, 4. We have this thing, so we have... This is the... Oh wait, I'm bad. This is 5. And this is 6. 6. So we move this up by that difference, which is 240. So we say beginning of the scene, beginning, set scene variable, the distance to, what was it? To 240? 240. 240, and then we say timer every 0.05 seconds, move. And then we set this thing to subtract 1. Then we add if scene value distance is still bigger than 0. So it only does it for 240 times. And then we reset the scene time move. Mive actually. And we move the number Y position up, so we subtract 1. So it's moved 1 pixel up for 240 times every 0.05 seconds. Works pretty slow. So we increase this or we increase this. Actually, I think we can increase this to 120 and set this to 2 and set this to 2 and this, and then it moves up. That looks very bad. Yeah, let's decrease this then. Ding 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 ding. Okay. Then we have an object which is called black. We actually have the camera image, which I don't know why there are 2 of them, but I will take it out of the way because that's an asset we already have. Scale it to here, scale it to here, and set it to, you know what, I don't even care. I don't even care. Like this. Where is my, wait, what? Okay, cool. Didn't notice I deleted that. I kind of want to have those things a little bit more centered, please. This looks fine. Checking those things here. A little up again. Okay. So we have, oh, also we need to change the value, of course. Modify text of this is equal to number.variable value. So we have 5, ding 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 ding, and we have 5 to 6. Perfect, works fine. I am happy with that. Actually, one moment. This looks kind of bad still. Cool. And then we say if timer fallback, drop back is bigger than, I don't know, 6.5, I don't know. That actually worked pretty well. We have this thing, and now we need the menu. We create menu. The cool part is we now move this scene up in the list, so whenever we start the game or after building the game, it will always start with the first scene. So this is our menu. This is where we arrive. I will add another scene for the warnings, but we will do that later. So we have text, we have title. it's not on this anymore, change new game to new game. There we go. I kind of want to put that into strings. Maybe. Custom is custom night. We have bonus is 6th night. We have continue is continue. And that's it, I guess. So I'll just create a group for that. Options arrows. So we change it for this. We change it for custom. Actually, we can put those in groups. Group menu options. And we put those in there. We put in custom, bonus, continue, and new game. And we should be able to just use it in here. That's the cool part about groups. So we have this now, and yeah, kinda doesn't work. Oh, of course not, because because I did it like this. Okay, so we have those. Looks pretty cool. I want to change the tint of it though. It's not tint, it's color. Change color. Change this color to like grayish. And if you hover on it, change this to white. So we have this, we have white, that looks pretty cool. Actually I want it to be a little darker. That's fun. So we have this, we have new game, continue, 6th night. That looks pretty good though. That looks pretty awesome. So now we need, what do we need now? 6 AM is almost done. If this thing happens, we change the scene back to menu. I'll just throw them back to the menu no matter what. And then in the menu we have, first of all, beginning of the scene full screen. Actually, I will just create the warning scene first. Warning. Black add text warning. Make it white, make it big, make it this, make it warning. This game contains. What does this game contain in the first place? That is very big. Also, I don't want this for this, I want a BB text. Because I can align it at center. That's like the only reason I'm picking it. What warning? Center. This thing, please. Base size is 980, and we say warning. We can actually get this a color. I haven't paid attention to the format, so that's kind of good. Can I Ctrl Z it? Yeah, I can. Warning. This game contains nothing. I don't know. Center X position. Yep, center X position of it set to camera X on base layer, and after timer, value of timer, no, if key if any key is pressed, or if mouse button is pressed, left button, then change to scene, menu. So, okay. Actually, I kind of want the timer in there as well. After 3 seconds, timer, allow, menu, I don't know. That's just what it is. At the beginning, do this, and after 3 seconds, do that. We add a text to it, which is like a light gray. We set it to 65, say press any button. We will actually set the Y position of it as well. I kinda should have done that in one action, because it's a little easier generally. So we have this, we have this on the center. We press any button after 3 seconds, and we'll be taken to the menu. Nice. 3 seconds seem kind of bad. 2 seconds is good. If 2 seconds are over, I will hide the new object. Continue. I will hide this, and after the 2 seconds I will show it. And we can actually say here visibility, so if this thing is showing, then do this. This will take care of the timer, and I can delete the timer. Allow menu. So after 2 seconds it shows it, and if it's shown, then I can change the menu. Check it real quick. 1, 2 appears right here. I can press the button and we're in the menu. Nice. Works fine. We have this, we have that. I don't have flashing lights, I don't have jump scares, I don't have sound, I don't have images. This game contains bad graphic. I'll just leave it like this for now, and we'll see if I can think of anything else. Is down, pressed or held, like this, or triggered once. Right, cursor is on new game. So, change to scene. We need a new scene. We will call the scene. I said we will call the scene. What are we calling the scene? We will call this scene loading. Loading. Dot dot dot. White and font, and drag it in. And that's all we need. That is actually the exact way how I did it in 7 Nights at Freddy's as well. So I just set up a timer. The problem is that I can't say load all resources now. This is currently not an option, so I kinda have to just do it like this, and only after 7 seconds send the player to the game. So after 7 seconds, change to scene game. So you literally wait 7 seconds, but that's acceptable, I guess. Beginning of scene, actually we'll change it to 6, because you need some time to prepare mentally. You want to click start. It's also with FNAF, like the original one. You always have to wait for the assets to load, and this is a time where you can take your time to prepare for what you're doing, how you're starting the night, what is coming up, etc. So, beginning of the scene. Now what we're doing is we will first of all check the nights. We will set the global variable. Now this is getting a little complicated here for me. Global variable to clamp global variable night to 1 and 8. So basically, I'm saying limit the global variable night to 1 and 8, so it will not be below 1 and not be above 8. So that will take care of that. Then we have if global variable night is 1, if global variable night is 2, and so on. Okay, so we have the nights for every night. Here comes the fun part. We will now set the animatronic AI. So we will get this out of here. We paste it in here. This is actually sorted. I'm surprised. So, and we will do that. Actually, I will not do that for night 8 because night 8 is custom night. Night 7 as well, I just realized. Night 7 and 8 are custom night. We will now set up the AI. So I think like Freddy has 0. Freddy has 0. Here Freddy has 1. Freddy has a 2. We have this. We have like a 4 and a 0. No, a 4 and a 0 here. We'll change it around. We'll have this at 3 and Chica at 2. Seems good. And Chica on a 8 or 7? 7. So we have the night AIs. Menu loading. What am I doing? Menu done. Loading done. Actually, no, loading is not done. I need another text variable for the current night. So we say 2-line text. This is the wrong thing, wrong text. This is kind of small. 80. 90. Okay. Loading. We set beginning of scene, set position of. Says center position of night 2. Camera X on base layer and camera Y on base layer. So it's centered. Is it centered? Perfectly centered. We say now here modify text value night set to 12 AM night 4, right? Okay. So we have 12 AM plus new line plus night plus our global variable night. So I want to have this over here. So we have 12 AM night 1. Nice. So that works. This is pretty cool. Should we add a space character before that? I don't think so. What was that? Okay, nothing. About the thing I said I knew was missing. It's actually very important that I have that, which is the camera is currently not slowing down Foxy or preventing Foxy from move, which is kind of not what you want. Where is it? Monitor. If monitor is up, that's what this thing is for. Show UI and also set scene variable Foxy freeze time timer countdown countdown. Such a long name, dude. Why? Foxy Freeze. Countdown. Set to random in range, which is we want between 1 second. 999 is a value that FNAF 1 uses. Anyway, set Foxy Freeze to this. We have debug, modify. I will take the Foxy debug. I think that is the thing that is shown in the monitors. Position. No, wait, it's positions. It's positions. Oh, because the current thing is the I'm hiding. What am I hiding? This is interesting, but on the other side, you know what? I don't care. It's only setting it once. Oh, because it actually has a trigger once in it. I don't care because I will do if monitor is down. Do this. I will have to check for variables first. Scene variable. Value scene variable freeze down is bigger than 0. Then subtract 1. We should have this thing. Then this counts. And it will count down. Animatronics. Foxy is this thing. And freeze is equal or less to 0. Just to make sure. So if we flip up the thing. Okay, so we have this, we have that. We go to night to 6 AM. We say if global variable night is less than, if it's below 7, then increase it. Yeah, this is fine. We beat the night and we increase it once. Very important, not interesting. Important that we set it to beginning of scene, so it will only trigger once. So whenever it's below 7, it will increase 1. So I now want to save it to storage, which is write a value night, and then save the global variable night to. So this is saved. We are saving the increased value of night. We go to the loading. Wait, we're not going to the loading. We're going to the menu. Where's the menu? Menu.